A well-designed e-commerce flyer can stop customers from scrolling and encourage them to click. Let's open Canva and type e-commerce flyer or product flyer into the search bar. Canva will display hundreds of flyer templates created for online stores, product promotions, flash sales, and seasonal campaigns. Take your time exploring different designs instead of selecting the first one you see. As you browse, pay attention to how each template is organized. Some flyers focus on a single featured product, while others highlight multiple products with pricing, discount badges, and call-to-action buttons. Click on any template to preview it in full size before opening.